Hello everyone, welcome to your own YouTube channel Study with Rameshwar. So once again we are here with class 5 environmental studies, and in this video we are going to see about the Dead Sea, that is which is the saltiest sea in the world, and second, that is how salt is made from salty water, and it is the concept of a Dandi March. Regarding Dandi March also we are going to study. So before starting, we will see the first, that is the location of the Dead Sea, where it is located. Now Dead Sea, here it is located in between the Israel and Jordan. Now see here, this is the Dead Sea. It is located here. The Dead Sea is the salt lake bordered by the Jordan to the east and Israel and the west bank to the west. So it lies in the Jordan Rift Valley, and it is the main tributary is the Jordan River. Its main tributary river is nothing but the Jordan River. The water pour in the Dead Sea, it's from the Jordan River. Here is the exact location of the Dead Sea. Dead Sea का location है Israel and Jordan and the West Bank. Now the Dead Sea is one of the saltiest bodies of water on the earth, with almost 10 times more salt than ordinary seawater. This is because water flows into the Dead Sea from the main tributary, that is the river Jordan. The high salt and mineral content of the Dead Sea mean that this body of water has powerful healing properties also. जो Dead Sea है, it is the saltiest water on the earth. सबसे ज़्यादा जो salt content होगा तो इस Dead Sea में लगभग 9.60 10 times or 10 times more saltier than the other water body. This सबसे ज़्यादा salt content है, and that's why the density of this water is more, means the water is too much heavier. यहाँ का water कैसा है, heavy है, and that's why the people, if a person is going to swim in this water, a person is going to float on water. All oceans and sea have salty water. The saltiest of all is the Dead Sea. सब sea और ocean में से सबसे ज़्यादा saltiest जो है वो Dead Sea है. How salty? Imagine 300 grams of in 1 liter. 1 liter में 300 gram of salt is there. 1 liter पानी होगा तो उसमें 300 gram of क्या रहेगा, salt रहेगा. Would you be able to even taste such salty water? It would be bitter. अगर आप टेस्ट भी करके देखते हो ना तो आपको उसका टेस्ट आएगा कड़वा. उसका टेस्ट कैसा लगेगा, कड़वा, बिकॉज द सॉल्टीनेस, बिकॉज द सॉल्टीएस्ट. इंटरेस्टिंगली, इवन इफ अ पर्सन डज नॉट नो द स्विम, शी वुड नॉट ड्रॉन इन दिस सी, शी और ही. ठीक है. So person will float in water as if lying down on it. Remember the lemon you floated in salt water, you know. So the one experiment I will add in this video, how the lemon is going to float in the water. If we take normal water, that lemon sink, but in the salty water that lemon is going to float. So I will show the experiment how it is floating on salty water.
Good evening everyone. My name is Dhanraj More. I am from class 5th C. Today I am going to tell you what sinks and what float in the water. I have 2 glass of water. One glass is normal water, second glass is salty water. I will put the lemon in the first normal glass, and what we will see, the lemon is sinks. Now I put the lemon in salty water. Now we will see this lemon is floating.
So now you have seen how the lemon is going to float on salty water, and as it in normal water it is not going to float, it is going to sink. So you can actually floats on Dead Sea like as a boat floats on water. Same way as a boat is going to float on water, so same in that manner a person if doesn't know the swimming, that person is going to float on water. वो व्यक्ति भी उसके ऊपर पानी के ऊपर क्या होगा, float करेगा. So floating in the Dead Sea is because why? Because the high salt content that makes the water heavier and dense. अब ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Why this thing is happening? Because the high salt content, क्योंकि इस पानी के अंदर जो है सबसे ज़्यादा salt है, and this salt makes the water heavier. उसके वजह से जो पानी है वो heavy बन रहा है, dense बन रहा है, and that's why a person is going to float in it. उसी के वजह से कोई भी इस पानी में क्या करेगा, float करेगा. ठीक है. Now why Dead Sea is called Dead Sea? The question comes in the mind, Dead Sea को Dead Sea क्यों कहते हैं? Why it is? So the sea is called dead because its high salinity prevents macroscopic aquatic organisms such as fish and aquatic plants from living in it, though minuscule quantities of bacteria and microbial fungi are present there. समझ में आ रहा है कि डेड सी को डेड सी क्यों कहा गया है? बिकॉज द हाई सैलिनिटी मतलब क्या? हाई सॉल्ट कंटेंट मीन्स द सॉल्ट ज़्यादा होने के कारण उसमें कोई भी माइक्रोस्कोपिक एक्वेटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म जैसे कि फिश हो गया है ना, एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स हो गए, वो उसमें सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो दे कांट live there. ठीक है. But still some of the microorganisms, we can say that bacteria or microbial fungi are present there. फिर भी वहाँ पर कुछ very small amount, minuscule मतलब क्या, very small amount of bacteria and microbial fungi are you will find out there, but fishes and aquatic animals you will not see, and that's why it is called as a dead sea. इसी की वजह से इसको डेड सी कहते हैं. ठीक है. सो द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट इज अबाउट द दांडी मार्च. सो इन द दांडी मार्च एज यू हैव सीन, सो हाउ द सॉल्ट इज मेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द सॉल्टी वाटर से पानी को कैसे सॉल्ट कैसे बनाया जाता है. सो देयर इज वन कंसेप्ट इज गिवन इन योर लेसन, दैट इज द दांडी मार्च 12 मार्च 1930. So Dandi March is what is this concept? You know children, so Dandi March is also known as the Salt March or Salt Satyagraha or Dandi Satyagraha. इसी को Dandi Satyagraha और it was led by our महात्मा गांधी जी. ठीक है, जिन्हें हम राष्ट्रपिता के नाम से भी जानते हैं. ठीक है. तो इनके लीडरशिप में इसको परफॉर्म किया गया था. ठीक है. सो a march spanned 240 miles, that is 390 km from the Sabarmati ashram to Dandi, which was called Navsaria at that time, now in the state of Gujarat. तो लगभग 240 माइल 390 किलोमीटर साबरमती आश्रम से लेकर दांडी तक इन्होंने वॉक करते हुए कंप्लीट किया था. गांधी जी के साथ बहुत सारे लोग भी आए थे. So lot of people have participated in it, and this march was conducted for what purpose? Because the Britishers, you all of you are knowing, our India was ruled by the Britishers. Near about 150 years, the Britishers ruled on India. So against of the Britishers applied a lot of tax on the salt. Lot of tax they applied on the salt, so that to protest this, the Gandhiji performed this salt march. So it was the march of 50,000 people. It is a protest against the high tax levied on the salt by Britishers in 1930. 1930 की बात है ना. is before the independence of the India. So it was the protest against the high tax levied on the salt by Britishers. So on 6th of April, Gandhiji picked up the salt on the seashore and broke the salt act. और वहाँ पे गांधी जी ने सॉल्ट सी शोर पर पहुँचकर वहाँ से सॉल्ट पिकअप किया एंड वॉट एवर द एक्ट विच वॉज broken by the Gandhiji, and he picked up the salt from the seashore. So after making the salt by evaporation at Dandi, Gandhi continued southward along the coast, making salt and addressing meetings on the way. So in this way, so how salt is made? The water in the sea, so after making the salt by evaporation at Dandi, so the question comes in the mind, how salt is made at seashore? So children, at the seashore, the sea beds are formed, salt beds, because the water is evaporated, and after the evaporation, the whatever the left thing is there, that is the salt and sand, then that salt is separated from it, and in this way the salt is made. The salt is very essential for everybody. In everybody's life, the salt is essential. The basic need is the salt in our food. Okay, so in this way salt is made from the salty water. Now see here, this is from your text, the Dandi March. This incident took place in 1930. So before India became independent, for many years the British had made law that did not allow people to make salt themselves, जो कि सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सॉल्ट बहुत ही बेसिक नीड था हमारे फूड को. हमारे फूड में सॉल्ट के बगैर टेस्ट नहीं होती है ना. सो दे हैड आल्सो पुट अ हेवी टैक्स ऑन सॉल्ट. They had also put a heavy tax, that which I already told. So by this law, people could not make salt even for use at home. Means घर के use के लिए भी वो अपना salt नहीं बना सकते. So how Gandhi can anybody live without salt? So Gandhiji said, how can a law not allow us to use freely what nature has given? Because the salt is getting from the nature. So then also, why the Britishers are levied this much tax? So Gandhiji with several other people went on yatra. So that is the Dandi March, that is Sabarmati Ashram, which was in Ahmedabad, to Dandi in Gujarat. Okay. So to protest against this law. So do you know that salt is made? The sea water is collected in a shallow beds dug in the sand, and water is allowed to dry in the sun, and after the water dries, the salt remains on the ground. So in this way the salt is made. So इस तरह से हमें नमक मिलता है. ठीक है. So in this way the salt is made from the sea water. So I hope these 2 points about the Dead Sea and Dandi March, it is clear to all. And if you like this video, please like, share with your friends, and if you are not subscribed this channel, subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. Thank you.